Now, if you're ever out with a garden hose and you're kind of watering, you think you're watering everything because of the water coming out, but you're really hitting various blades of grass, and some of those get a lot more than others. Exact same way with thunderstorms. They don't cover everywhere, but they do hit certain spots, and that rain can vary from place to place. Now, yesterday, 0.22 in Topeka, but a lot of places had more than that in and near Shawnee County, and Emporia 0.93 before midnight, but Americus getting 3.98, and then over toward Waverly and down into Burlington, at least 2 to 3 in some locations. And since midnight, nothing hitting official gauges, everything pretty far south and pulling completely out of our viewing area. The flash flood warning continues way down in southeast Kansas. We do have our watch box, though, for a little bit longer down through Emporia and Osage City, and also the Linden and Ottawa areas, Baldwin City into Lawrence. There's a look at radar. Everything's gone. Everything's finally pushed completely out of the state down toward the far southeast, but we are getting additional thunderstorms in south central areas, and there's some lingering lightning well south. So if you're down there toward Anderson, Franklin, also Coffee counties, you might be looking south and see that. And at this point, lightning can be visible for about 100 to 120 miles based on what kind of terrain you have around you. So it can appear to be closer than it really is. So there are those thunderstorms heading down toward the Tulsa, Carthage area, almost toward Fayetteville. Here's what's kind of building through the south central and southwest part of the state, and some of that's trying to gradually lift toward us. So there might be a few spotty showers or thunderstorms in our far west southwest counties by late morning and into early afternoon. Our breeze primarily out of the north at roughly 10 miles per hour. It should be northeasterly almost all day today, and that may hold numbers down just a tad because I think we have a lot of cloud cover, and with the wind out of that direction, instead of being like 82, something like that, we're probably going to be closer to 75 or 76. 70s down toward Oklahoma, but Wichita's at 67. Then it starts dropping off just a wee bit there toward Goodland and Colby and North Platte and Scottsbluff, Boulder and Denver with low 50s. So our upper wind flow is west to east, so whatever's going on in Nebraska and the western part of Kansas should gradually try to head toward us just a bit. For later today, I think we have a much bigger chance of strong thunderstorms tonight, probably sometime after 8, something like that, running until roughly midnight to 1 o'clock in the morning. And so we're finally getting the impulses to start swinging through a bit more. That closed low pressure system off the Oregon coast, though, has weakened and sort of opened up over the Rockies. So as we go through the morning period, everything heading out. What's building out there toward the far southwest, if it holds together, could gradually try to hit, but I think we have a bigger chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight into early Saturday morning. So just be aware of that. Might be a little tough sleeping at times. And then one more little push of showers and thunderstorms as we go through Saturday, so not very pretty. And then once we get into Saturday night and Sunday, we will gradually clear things out from west to east. So today, 60 degrees early, 75, 76 for a daytime high, and then overnight stays pretty mild and a little bit humid with thunderstorms likely. Some of those might be hell producers and have some straight line wind, and then we get our clearing sky on Sunday. So we'll have some storms on Saturday, a prettier day on Sunday, and then really good stuff here that's going to last for at least 5 or 6 days. It will take us right into the holiday weekend. Overnight lows in the 50s, and you'll notice in some mornings closer to 50 or 52, and that means it's not going to be too humid. Daytime highs, mid and upper 70s. We've taken those down just a little bit so we don't rush into really warm air, and then we'll be in the low to maybe mid 80s toward Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week.